Now, Maharashtra Transport Minister has ordered the disposal of all the scrap buses, claiming that they have become the hub of illegal activities. So, the Maharashtra government has swung into action after this incident. Now, the Transport Minister has ordered the disposal of the scrap buses, claiming that they are the hub of the illegal activities. Now, remember, this man had led this girl to this empty bus, and that is why, hence, this action is being taken by the government. Shrishti continues to be live with us. Shrishti, now the Transport Minister has ordered disposal of all the scrap buses. The government has swung into action. 23 security guards have also been removed from the services there. But the opposition is asking, what about the law and order situation in the state? They're questioning the law and order there.
Well, of course, Maharashtra Transport Minister has given this order yesterday, wherein he mentioned that all the scrap buses which are placed in bus depots across the state, that should be removed, and this has become a hub of illegal businesses is what he exactly mentioned. Now, those buses will be removed from the bus depots, and importantly, 23 security guards who are supposed to be there at the Swargat bus depot, they are now suspended. A high-level committee will be formed and a probe will be initiated. There is an order from Transport Ministry to the officials that they should submit a report regarding the entire incident in 1 week, and then the probe will be initiated. What comes across is that this is a basic thing, that the disposable scrap buses should not be there at the bus depots, but that is not something that was taken in cognizance earlier, and this incident has happened. Now, what eyewitnesses tells us that there are several buses in several bus depots in the city of Pune as well as in other districts, and there are high chances that a lot of people of that option to take the bus, the scrapped bus, and use it for some kind of illegal activity. So, of course, it's a basic thing that should have been done earlier itself. However, now this horrific incident has unfolded, and now actions are being taken by the state government. Now we have to see what comes across in the
absolutely. So the probe has started in this matter, but the point is that the man is absconding right now, and the focus will be on this crucial meeting that will be tabled by the Chief Minister today. Thank you, Shrishti, for all the details.